This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos won't show on iPhone gallery issue. So if you received some photos or videos in your WhatsApp but you see those photos and videos won't show in your gallery, don't worry. You can fix this issue in just few steps. First of all, open your iPhone settings and search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, tap on photos and select all photos. After that, go to your WhatsApp, tap on settings, chat and enable save to camera roll to automatically save photos and videos you receive to your iPhone's camera roll. And after that, again open WhatsApp settings, then tap on storage and data, tap on photos and select Wi-Fi and cellular, tap on back, tap on audio, select Wi-Fi and cellular, tap on back, select video. The same way, select Wi-Fi and cellular for all of these media auto download option. Or you can do reset auto download settings by tapping here. And then you can offload your WhatsApp app. Go to settings, tap on general, iPhone storage, tap on WhatsApp, offload app. Once done, reinstall it and hope this solution will fix your photos and videos won't show on gallery issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.